Locked out of your Samsung A21 because you forgot your Google account details? Don't panic, this video will guide you through proven methods to regain access. First, completely power off your Samsung A21. Make sure it's not connected to any charger. Now, press and hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. Keep holding them until you see the Samsung logo appear. Release the buttons when the Samsung logo appears and you are in the Android recovery menu. Use the volume up and volume down buttons to navigate through the menu options. Scroll down to wipe data, factory reset, and press the power button to select it. You'll see a warning message. Use the volume down button to scroll to yes and press the power button to confirm the factory reset. The phone will now begin wiping the data. This process might take a few minutes. Wait patiently. Once the data wipe is complete, you'll be back in the Android recovery menu. Select Reboot System now by pressing the power button. Your phone will now restart. This first boot after a factory reset may take a little longer than usual. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your phone. Important during the setup, you may be asked to enter the previous Google account details. If you still don't remember them, you might need to explore additional methods, like using FRP bypass tools. Search online for FRP bypass methods specific to your Samsung A21 model and Android version, as they can vary. That's it. You should now be able to access your Samsung A21. Remember to secure your Google account credentials this time. Subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.